Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a gradient text effect on CapCut PC. You can already use a gradient kind of background for it, like this one, and you can blur it. But to make one yourself, with the colors that you want, I'll just go to background and choose different colors like this, maybe with red, and maybe with this purple. I don't know, just mix and match colors. I'm just going with what they have here, but obviously you can add more colors if you'd like to. Go to mask, and then go to mask in the video, not the adjustments, sorry. And then I'm just going to make a gradient here. Well, attempt to. And then here, I don't know. Then you're just going to add a black background on top. And then you're going to want to add in your text here. Type in gradient or whatever you want to type. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Then you're going to go to video blend mode, and you're going to select the darken one, and you'll see the gradient. If you can't see it that well, you're just going to move the arrow around a little bit. You can't really see that. There you go. You can kind of see this gradient text. You can't even see the blue, but it looks cool this way. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.